In this video, I want to show you how you can be able to buy altcoins using a card. Now, one of the things that we've done along in this channel is show you how to buy via P2P. We've done another one about how to buy Bitcoin on spot trading. This one is for any other currency that is not Bitcoin. We want to make a purchase of it. Let's get those credits rolling. This is going to be a very simple step-by-step process. Step number one, on your Binance app, on the top you'll find how to be able to pay. So if you want to buy, we can buy via bank deposit, credit or debit card, P2P trading, or third-party payment. For our case, we want to try credit or debit card where it says buy crypto via card. Once we click on this, we can actually be able to simply buy exactly what we want instantly through your card. I'll click on OK. Here you can actually be able to see that there is an option to make a recurring buy. I'll show you how it works. So we want to buy $15 worth of a cryptocurrency. In this case, I want to buy the BNB coin, which is a Binance coin, because I've seen it's really at a good price. And we are going to be able to buy 0.048646 of it. If I want to make a recurring buy of the same, this is what I'll do. I'll click on recurring buy. I can actually be able to create a recurring plan. I can actually state how many dollars I want to spend every single period and be able to buy. So here I can actually create one and say I want to buy 15 USD worth and I want it to be every Friday or every Saturday or every Sunday, or you can do it bi-weekly or do it monthly. For me, I'll place it as monthly, and then I want to be buying on the 25th and buying at 7 in the morning. What this will do is I can actually be able to automatically buy this number of BNB all through every single month, and this is what is known as dollar cost averaging. Once that is done, I can actually click on continue. So we've actually created our recurring plan. Then the next thing is you will need to input your card. So the card that I use is called People. I've placed it. It's the second link in the description below. The reason why I use that card is because normal bank cards here in Kenya don't work. So this is my alternative for it. I have used it very many times. You can be able to use that as well. So I'll click on continue. This enables me to actually just buy my $15, and then it says to share your account details. This is all okay, and I say I agree to share the above information and click on confirm. Once that is done, it asks me to confirm the order, which I do. There's a charge transaction fees on the $15 that I have done because Binance charges 1.8%, which is the charge that you're seeing here, and I'll click on refresh. What happens now is it asks for a confirmation, which will actually send a code to my app, which is very easy and secure for you. That's what I'll actually get. So I'll click on bank link. Once I click on bank link, it sends a one-time password, and I'll click on submit. Once this is done, it actually tells you your purchase is complete. So we'll click on go to wallet, and I can actually be able to see the BNB I have just purchased right now, which is 1,116 Kenya shillings or $15 like we have just done. If I want to make another purchase, that will be really simple. So I'll go under buy crypto credit card. I'll now state the amount I want to buy, and I can say I want to buy $20 worth, indicate the crypto that I want to buy. So if I want to buy Cardano, or I want to buy Axie Infinity, or I want to buy whatever it is, Dogecoin or Polkadot, whichever I decide to buy, that's a simple way for you to be able to buy. If you would like to know how you can make a futures trade, watch this video that is showing up on the screen right now, and I'll see you in the next one.